Recently, somebody asked me a question, and the person wanted to know this is the question the person asked: should I consider doing subcontracting when starting my cleaning business? Um, that is a very important question, and my answer to that is yes. Yes, and yes again. A lot of people don't know that when you're starting, especially when you're going the commercial route with cleaning, sometimes it's hard to get clients. Subcontracting allows you to be able to get into the business, start having clients without you looking out for it, right? It means that somebody went to look for the client, they called out the primary contractor, and then you went to the primary contractor and took business from them. That means that the primary contractor pays you, and then you're able to pay yourself or your staff. So subcontracting is one of the best ways that you can get started, and I recommend that for everybody. I would definitely say though that when you're going for a subcontractor, you should look for a national subcontracting primary contractor before you look at a local, because sometimes local contractors or cleaning companies are not well managed. So yes, definitely go with subcontracting to start out. It's a great way, and it's a great way